Welcome back for some chitter chatter. It's 4 o'clock, and today we are gonna chit chat with Nohit and talk about her Dev DD2 series, which is releasing on 20th February on Alt Balaji. I'm sure you all are very excited. Let me tell you a little about the series. I'm not gonna say much because I don't want to give any spoilers. This series is about a girl who's totally different, and she feels like an alien in the city, in the society, but she follows her dreams. So, all you people out there, just like you'll have your hearts flowing on this chit chat, keep your hearts flowing when the series releases too, and do watch. In the meantime, let's send her a request and get started with our chitter chatter series and about all her journey till now. So, time for some fun chit chat. Hey, Klochek. Hey, Hadia Hali. Hello.
Can you see me?
Buffering. Hello, welcome on Chitter Chatter.
I can't see you.
Can you see me now? Because you were buffering, but I can see you now.
I'm gonna move this way. Hi! I just
Hi,
hope I'm
welcome
not
on Chitter
pixelated.
Chatter.
I've purposely come to an area where there's enough light and enough Wi-Fi.
Till there is enough Wi-Fi, we are okay with everything else. We'll manage everything. No light and everything we can manage, but we can't manage no Wi-Fi.
But you can see me. Am I pixelated or am I clear?
You're clear. So we are good to start. So before we start, do you want to tell your fans something who've come here specially for your Chitter Chatter?
I have. And I'm always ready for chitter chatter. So this is just the most perfect show to be on.
Thank you. So tell us about your new series. Don't worry, we don't want any spoilers, but what is it about this show that you want all of them to see?
So basically, this is also my first sort of, you can say, is it really? It is my first OTT platform debut. You know what I mean? This is my debut into the web series world. I don't know if I'm excited, nervous, or is it a mix of all of them? I don't know what I'm feeling right now, but Dev Dabali is quite a fast-paced, fun show. It touches upon a lot of subjects which are so relevant today. Um, if I tell you anything now, anything, I'm going to be giving out so much.
No, we don't want spoilers. We want to watch the show.
Hi, I'm just going to say hi to everyone. Oh, wow, there's a lot of people that. Yeah, Basanti, my gosh, yeah. Hi. Yes, we can continue.
So how's your nervousness going? 20th is hardly a few days away, like not even days away, day away.
No, today is the 20th. It's releasing at 6:30 today evening.
So
Is
few
it not?
hours away. What does it feel like?
Yeah.
Are you gonna like watch it though you know the whole thing like immediately?
So the crazy part is because in this show now we have all shot it different ways. In the sense, I don't have scenes with a lot of people, and a lot of people don't have scenes with me. Now, the only time we can actually end up watching our show or watching our scenes, watch our scenes together, it I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so nervous. Basically, what I'm saying is we all shot at different times. We didn't all as a cast want to see the entire series together. I don't know if I'm still on because you have a little circle going round. Am I on? Am I
You're
not?
still
Now
on.
you're there.
You're still on. So don't worry. You're still here and we're seeing you. And after this chitter chat in the evening, everyone is going to watch Dev DD2 on all series. I'm sure all your fans are
You're
waiting for it to just go on ahead and they want to watch it.
That's what I was trying to say, but because I was so distracted by this network going, I don't know what I said. Basically, what I'm trying to say is we're all going to be watching it together. In the sense, none of us have scenes. Of course, Sanjay, Ashima, and me have scenes together. Other than that, a lot of the cast shot different times, and we really want to try and watch it all together, like as a cast. But पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. But very exciting times ahead.
होंगे होंगे वो भी टाइम आएगा. फिलहाल तो आज सब fans are wishing you luck over here for your new show and for your debut on OTT.
Thank you. I'm very nervous. मतलब मैं पूरी pink हो चुकी हूँ अभी. But I'm gonna calm down.
Right now you're pink
and
with nervousness, but I'm sure later you'll be pink with excitement
yeah,
because
the more I
it's
talk, when
something
I'm
which
not
is very
talking about it,
exciting.
it's fine.
Okay, we've lost you. Are you there? Are you there?
Sorry. Totally missed that.
You're buffering. Are you there? Because I can't see you. You've like almost frozen like this.
है ना? वो even you're frozen. Should I go out and come back in again? Should I try that? Oh wait, I'm going to check.
Hello, Mike Froyolan. Hello, Sanjay Bhargava. Yes, Mola, Meri Mola girl, Sajjan Bhagra, as you say. Yo, you're back.
I've tried now. I've gone off Wi-Fi. Okay, now I'm on my phone ka network. I'm not going to mention which one, but let's hope this is better than the Wi-Fi.
I think this is better. So I was saying now you're pink with nervousness, but by evening I think you'll be pink with excitement because just the way we've heard about the show and everything, it looks very exciting, and I'm sure it's going to be loved.
I hope you all have fun watching it. I'm quite excited to watch it myself because
And we have lost you again. Good you didn't mention the mobile data name because if you had mentioned the mobile carrier name, I'm sure we would lose out on people on that. We lost you.
I know, I keep going and I keep coming and I keep going and I keep coming. What to
Every time
do?
you
What to
say,
do?
I am excited,
And now I'm not
suddenly
even
your
on
network
Wi-Fi.
goes.
I think our chat is going to be so exciting because all we're talking about is phone ka network.
Thank God you didn't tell the carrier name because by now people would be like, ये carrier छोड़ो.
बट जो भी कैरियर है ना आजकल बहुत प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. ओके, इसीलिए ना मैं वाईफाई पे गई, बट क्लियरली आज दोनों के प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं. But now you can see now I'm there.
Yeah. I thought
better,
और internet किया ना, I would start singing your song Mola Mere Mola. Please let the network for some time.
You know that song just goes on, na Mola Mere Mola Mere Mola Mere Mola. The Aakhi Teri doesn't come only, so we're still waiting. Ki Mola Mere is the part where we are all pixelated, and the Aakhi Teri will be where we are both finally white frame, non-pixelated. Oh God.
Okay, now that you're here, let me ask the question before the data gives up again.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, so in case the data supports you, what was your most amazing moment while shooting
I
this
swear
show?
the minute you started asking me the question, you went off. Shweta, I did not hear the question. Now I can. ये ना आज मुझे सच्ची लग रहा है नेटवर्क नहीं है, ये आपका नेटवर्क है. बिकॉज यू आर पिक्सेलेटेड, मैं तो ठीक हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं भी वाईफाई से जाती हूँ, देखते हैं, ठीक है.
हाँ, वही बेटर होगा. आई प्रॉमिस यू, देखना.
और पता चला हम दोनों के पास सेम डेटा है तो उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. Are you back? See, I went off my data. You were still frozen.
No, because you had gone out and now I see you perfectly.
Okay, now
so
that we both are on
now
mobile data, I'm trying to ask this question.
for the past 10 minutes.
What was the most funniest moment you had while shooting the show?
Honestly, I don't know any funny moment while shooting, but I can tell you this has been the most exciting live I've ever been on. Okay, this is hilarious. But no, honestly, I had not shot in a very long time. And when you're doing web series, when you're doing shows, it's a long period, long stretches of weekdays that you spend with the cast. And I swear to God, this cast has just been a treat to work with. I love every single one of them. And I mean, not like ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ, literally, like we try and meet, we try and go out of our way to hang out. जो ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, I'll be very honest. At least मैं तो ज़्यादा नहीं करती हूँ. But honestly, we've had crazy workout days. It was crazy क्योंकि पहले तो हम लोग ने शुरू किया था कोविड के पहले. So pre-COVID we started. उसके बाद obviously COVID happened and the whole shoot was stalled. And then post-COVID we rejoined and we were like, अरे यार कहाँ थे यार कितने दिन हो गए. So I mean, funny तो नहीं, but the most amazing part that has come out of this show has been the cast. I love. It's not
Okay,
funny.
so your
Is that
Rana Shad is saying that
Nisha!
thank you.
Hi!
He's complaining
Sorry, I
about
just
it.
got
You stop
excited.
hanging out with them.
Yeah, now what? Now I will. Now I actually come that side of town also. So I do.
You're lying. We can catch you. It seems you're lying. Your face is not agreeing with the emotion that you're saying.
Not as often, but ठीक है, more often than I ever have. Let's put it that way.
So since
आवाज
he's
नहीं
here
आ
and
रही
you're
है?
here and everyone here is wanting to know about Hippipure.
Hippipure.
Again lost you. Yeah, tell us
No,
something about
I'm
Hippipure.
there. I'm there. Oh my God, Hippipuri. So Hippipuri, I was in school, huh? I think I just passed out of school. And what a bunch of actors I went straight into working with. Also, I came in much later, ना मतलब शुरुआत में मैं नहीं थी. And it was, now when I think about it, pressure वैसे जैसा कुछ था ही नहीं वो time पे, you're so young, you don't think about all these things. You just want to go and give your best. But every single one of us went on to doing such amazing work, and what a great cast, our director, our producer, our makeup artist, meaning that show will always be very special, not just to me, but I promise you to every single one who has been a part of that show is going to cherish it forever. Really.
Be it in Bollywood, there's one thing they say, your movies need to be hit, but you need to have songs because Bollywood is all about songs. And you have two songs which people love till date. One is Maula Mere Maula and your single Piya Basanti Re. So what do you have to say, to have two good songs on your list?
I really, I mean, honestly speaking, the songs are only so good. I just acted in them, So I can't take any credit for them. I'm just blessed and lucky to have been part of songs like that. You know what? The best part is when it goes now. You and me are making all these faces अपने screen पे. And when we suddenly come back, we realize that I couldn't see you, but I could see myself. Similarly, you could see you, but you could not see me ना. तो ये किसका नेटवर्क है वो पता नहीं है, but ये लाइव के बाद I'm calling you and I'm like, this is network ना.
I think our live is one of my funniest lives that I've had. Despite a
Sorry, yeah.
bad network,
I
I'm
think
enjoying it. I have to give you the credit to
me
it.
too, me too. Me too, me too, me too, me too. I mean, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. With the little pauses, but ठीक है.
आई नो अगर मैं एड्स चला सकती ना तो मैं पैसे भी बना लेती बीच बीच में जब चैट रुक रही थी.
Seriously, मैं जो जा रही हूँ, मैं चाय बना के, मैं चाय लेके आ रही हूँ. एक second, जब तक the network will go. But tell me, how are you? Now that we're talking about me, let's chat about you. You have more questions. I'm sure you have lots of
Yeah,
questions.
yeah, I have
But
lots of questions.
questions
It's just that by the time I ask
is
you
a
the
scary
question,
part.
the network goes.
So जल्दी ask, जल्दी right now we're both there.
Okay.
जल्दी ask, जल्दी. Oh, you literally were Arya.
Tell me I lost you.
I'm gonna tell you what I understood. You're going to take some names and what comes first to my mind. You want me to say that?
Yeah.
अच्छा, are they actor actresses का names or just random things?
कुछ भी हो सकता है. I can't warn you.
I love games, by the way. I
Could
love
be
this network.
anything.
Better hold up. Chalo, I'm ready.
Dave DD2.
Fun cast.
Alt Balaji.
Debut.
OTT.
The place to be.
Ekta Kapoor.
Awesome. Mm, I was having so much fun. What? I missed that part. What was that?
You didn't hear it, right? I'll repeat.
Wait. We will not come back. Now you come back. Bolo.
I've come back.
You are.
Supari.
Oh my God. Supari. First film. I mean, there's so many things I can say about that film. First
See,
film
see,
ever.
we all yours.
It was my first film ever, the first outdoor location. I was a nervous wreck. इतनी भोली थी, but Purab Kodi was a part of the cast as well, and I just remember being like, at least he's there, So I felt safe only because we've been part of the Holy Pipuri clan. But it was quite an experience. All my experiences have been awesome because I'm just like in the sense I just make the most of every experience.
Wow, that's I think something I would like to highlight. If I could highlight it, I have to tell all the people here make the most of what you have. Like right now, we don't have network from either one of us. I think don't have, but we are making the most of it.
Yeah. Should I go back on Wi-Fi?
I can see you blurred. Are you there?
I'm here.
I promise you, no, it's not my network. It's
Promise you
both
it
of
is.
us. Very smartly you typed it. पर मैं
Now I've
फिलहाल
gone
वाईफाई पे
back.
नहीं हूँ.
I was having so much fun वो game के साथ यार.
ठीक है हम मौला मेरे गा लेते हैं. हो सकता है नेटवर्क सपोर्ट कर ले. I was singing two lines. Maybe your network supports us.
With me singing, we'll go off.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go that side of the town to have a chit chat with her because
हाँ ना, I
hello people, can you all say whom can you all see? People here, please can you all tell us कि मैं दिख रही हूँ, नौहीद दिख रही है कि हम दोनों ही नहीं दिख रहे हैं? हाँ, I can see you.
I can also see you, but I'm scared to see it. I'm like यार मैं जैसे बोलूंगी गई.
नहीं फिलहाल तो मैं हूँ और सबको हम दिख रहे हैं तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू द गेम. पूरब कोहली.
He's still one of my sweetest, dearest friends. Love.
रुशाद राणा.
Oh, fellow Baba.
सफर कराची वाला.
Oh my God, he was always has been the very, मतलब एकदम seriously सब लेता था. At least that's my impression of him. Huh? We'd all be like pagal people. He's also a lot of fun and all, but he was the more serious of the lot.
उदय चोपड़ा.
So down to earth and just a lovely person, very well read. That also.
लाइफ में कभी कभी.
As in, I didn't forget I did the film, but what a long time ago that was as well. My first proper ensemble cast, in the sense where each of us had a very distinct character sketch, which was talked out. So yeah, that was my experience with it.
जॉन अब्राहम.
Heartache.
सोहेल खान.
The nicest, I will forever say this, the nicest.
Hello people, keep your hearts flowing. आ गई आ गई आ गई.
श्वेता, हम लोग ये बंद कर देते हैं. वीसे बाय है ना, हम लोग फोन पे बात करेंगे. मौला मेरे मौला यार, पॉपकॉर्न मुझे भी चाहिए एक्चुअली. राइट ना मुझे पॉपकॉर्न की बहुत जरूरत है. आपको भी
ये बंद करने के लिए पहले थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग ऑन दिस ट्विटर चैटर. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द फन.
go. Shweta, I promise you now. I promise you this is your network. I swear. Hi, Bish.
Hi. Nahi, can you come back to tell bye to your fans before we leave?
I'm back here. Can you see me?
Yeah, we can see you. Do you want to say प्यार के दो बोल before we
so
exit?
much fun. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly say it. I had so much fun, even though the life was so pixelated, but that is added to us and our personality and character, and I'm many more lives. Shweta, we must go live together. मेरे घर पे.
Definitely, we have to do many more with good network.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Please go.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Guys, please do go watch Dave DD2 today evening after this chitter chatter once it releases, and please DM her with hearts and love after you watch her debut on OTT.
Yeah, really. Come back and tell me what you think of the show, what you think of me, and yeah, I'm quite excited. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.